Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, June 3rd. Not a whole lot of action, really no economic news to really speak about for the most part. Australia had some interest rate decision last night, but it really didn't impact us much. Just not, like I said, just wasn't much action. We had two trades, finished down 9.4 pips. We'll show you what we did. First trade, this was actually last night. We were in this euro to Australian dollar, got a signal to go long, 1.47315. You can see here, you know, it's trying to break out of a double top. You know, it's the chance you're going to take. Algorithm was actually looking to risk more than this, but, you know, it's pretty clear where you're going to get out. You know, it's going to try to hold these bottoms right around the figure, and that's pretty much where we set it, and we took it out. If we didn't, we would have been looking to hold 80 pips down for it to come back and pretty much be breaking even. So trade just hasn't worked out. You know, just one of those trades, it just doesn't work out good. So with that one, we lost 31.5 pips. This was this morning. This was a layup of a trade, man. We got a signal to go short, pound the Swiss franc, 1.50183. Similar type situation, but not like tops. It's, you know, you're looking at a possible support area in the middle of a trading range, if you want to call this a whole trading range. But as soon as we went short, it went in our favor right off the bat. Stalled a little bit for about 20 minutes or so, and then totally broke down. Again, we were looking at covering right around the figure, which we did, thinking that might, you know, as you know, if you've been following us, figures are psychological areas where there's a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. You can get, you know, depending on which way it's coming in from or going up to, you could get some support or resistance, whatever. And that's exactly what it did here. It acted as some support. We picked up 22 pips on that. It did try to break through it, but only broke through it by about 8 or 9 pips and then bounced. And you can see here it's up about 15 pips from where we covered it. So, you know, it was a layup of a trade. You know, we'll take it. I mean, we'll take that trade for sure. You hate to finish down, but there isn't a lot of action right now for whatever reason. So we lost 9.4 pips. You know, not the worst thing in the world by any means. A good comeback after the one trade that we got hit on. So we're pleased about that, I should say. Haven't checked the economic calendar for later this evening. We'll be doing that, obviously. If any signals come up, we'll be sending them out. If you want to come along, you know, trade with us, look at the website, UniqueForex.com. That's with the number 4. We have a group chat on BBM. We got a group on WhatsApp. You know, come on board and join us. Have a great rest of your day. Any signals go out, like I said, we'll be sending them out. If you're still trading now, good luck, and we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action.